Miracle Vitamin C Drink, power your immunity.
They want promises to be fulfilled and not the petty politics. Many other parties all over the country have family parties. Our party is one family. The difference between other parties and our party is many are family parties, one family party. Ours is party is a family. And so that is the main difference. And so I am very sure Tamil Nadu also, NDA will definitely show stellar performance and wait for the results. Thank you, that's all from my side. अभी किसी का सवाल नहीं होगा, होगा तो पूछिए, लेकिन पहले इस विषय पर, हाँ, इस विषय पर कुछ सवाल है तो जरूर पूछिए, प्लीज. एक एक, आई विल टेक ऑल क्वेश्चंस. हाँ. Yeah, see, today Prime Minister has also spoken. I have also spoken to Chengalpattu and Patan. Your representatives were there. But let me sum it up. See, Modi ji's government is the only government in which 6 years are devoted to farmers. What was the real demand of farmers all these 40 years? The real demand was remunerative prices. There was an issue of how to decide remunerative prices. M.S. Swaminathan gave the answer, cost plus 50%. He submitted his report in 6th, but the DMK Congress combined in UPA did not accept his recommendations for 8 long years. Modi ji accepted it. And so MSP has risen phenomenally. अभी तक, till today, the farmers, if you take their income in last 4-5 years, it has already doubled where MSP is given. We have made very clear that MSP will stay, APMCs will stay, but at the same time farmers must have a right. They were demanding for 40 years that we must have the freedom to sell anybody who gives more price. So it should be the right of the farmers. That is what we are giving. Kisan Samman Yojana. Today, within 2 hours, with the help of technology, at a click of button, 9 crore farmers have received 2,000 each in their bank account. And see once, Congress had given once, as UPA, DMK and Congress, gave only once loan waiver. What was the total bill? 53,000 only. And what we are planning to give for 10 years is 77 lakh crore rupees. Already with today's 18,000 crore, we have given 1 lakh 20,000 crore rupees. It's huge. Fasal Bima Yojana. 6 crore farmers have received compensation, much more than their premium. This is a reality. This is happening on ground. And more importantly, the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, irrigation, particularly drip irrigation, it is making a lot of change. Simultaneously, soil health card. Every farmer now knows what are the peculiarities of his farm.
Miracle Vitamin C Drink, power your immunity.
நியூஸ் 7 தமிழ் தொலைக்காட்சியை டாக் டிவி, SCB, TCCL, VK டிஜிட்டல், ஆதார், ஜாக் டிவி, அக்ஷயா டிஜிட்டல் ஆகிய கேபிள் கனெக்ஷன்களிலும், ஏர்டெல், டாடா ஸ்கை, சன் டைரக்ட் ஆகிய DTHகள் உட்பட அனைத்து முன்னணி கேபிள் கனெக்ஷன்களிலும் காணலாம்.